Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Be ready for the legal passage. Start. The refusal of respondent number 2, Oriental Insurance Company Limited, to renew the medical claim insurance policy of the petitioner on the same terms and conditions as in the past has given rise to the present petition. Full stop. Stanza. The petitioner took a medical claim insurance policy with respondent number 2 in the year 1977, and the policy was renewed from year to year till 2002. Full stop. There is only one claim made in the year 1998 which had been paid. Full stop. The last renewal of the policy expired on 28/12/2002, and it is the contention of the petitioner that the development officer of respondent number 2, Mr. Trilochan Singh, who used to take the renewal premium every year, failed to turn up to take payment of the premium. Full stop. The petitioner on 21/2/2003 then personally went to the office of respondent number 2 and applied for medical claim insurance policy. Full stop. However, though the policy was issued, there was an exclusion clause provided for cardiac arrest, disease, and related diseases. Full stop. Thus, the treatment relating to cardiac arrest was excluded, apparently on the basis of the fact that in the year 1998 the petitioner had suffered a similar problem when payments had to be made under the policy. Full stop. The petitioner wide letter dated 25/2/2005 called upon respondent number 2 to remove the said condition. Full stop. The petitioner in the said letter stated that there was no delay in the past by the petitioner over 5 years, and that it was Mr. Trilochan Singh who did not come to collect payment of the premium as in the past despite repeated reminders, but was insisting that he wanted the insurance to be done from a private company. Full stop. It may be noticed that even on 21/2/2003, when the petitioner went to the office of respondent number 2, a complaint had been made by the petitioner in writing about Mr. Trilochan Singh. Full stop. The request of the petitioner was, however, declined by the letter dated 28/5/2003, stating that the petitioner ought to have visited the office of respondent number 2 well within the stipulated time for renewal of medical claim insurance policy. Full stop. Stanza. In the counter affidavit, the respondents have sought to take the defense that the grant of relief to the petitioner would amount to a specific performance of an agreement which cannot be done in the proceedings under Article 226 of the Constitution of India. Full stop. Insofar as the merits are concerned, it is stated that the petitioner approached respondent number 2 after almost 2 months delay, and in view thereof fresh proposal was taken from the petitioner and was got examined from a panel doctor. Full stop. It was in view thereof that the exclusion clause was included. Full stop. It is stated that had the petitioner renewed the policy in time, as in he passed the occasion to insert exclusion clause would not have arisen and the policy would have been renewed as per the past practice. Full stop and over.